The world of cryptocurrencies is always changing, with new innovations and trends appearing quickly. By the end of 2023, investors, regulators, and fans were all paying close attention to a few major events and trends. Globally, cryptocurrencies have drawn the interest and imagination of a new generation of investors. There's no denying that the rapidly evolving and moving cryptocurrency market, which includes Ethereum, Bitcoin, and an expanding list of other cryptocurrencies, has participants, watchers, and regulators on edge. More and more, though, mainstream companies are looking at cryptocurrencies and adjacent technologies as a way to tap into new markets or to create them from scratch in new virtual worlds. So, in this video, let's dive into some major topics in the crypto market recently. ETH ETF excitement. In a surprising change of events, 8 U.S. spot ETH ETFs were approved on May 23, 2024, marking another historic milestone. This apparent 180-degree shift by the SEC, along with a lack of internal cooperation, caused one source familiar with the situation to speculate that the decision was motivated by political considerations. Prior to the event, ETH had even experienced a spectacular surge, rising about 20% per day on May 20th. As a result, the ETH BTC valuation has risen sharply, coming back to the critical support level it had earlier broken. It's time to find out if this will simply produce another lower high, or if the momentum holds. Unlike Bitcoin spot ETFs, whose approvals were anticipated much earlier, it seems to have been a more last-minute scramble for the ETH ETFs. As a result, while the ETH ETF forms have been approved, issuers must still submit their S1 registration statements before trading in spot ETH ETF products may commence. BlackRock had already modified its application with the necessary S1 form, which gave Bloomberg analyst Balchunas hope that a launch in late June or early July was feasible, despite earlier projections of how long this could take, ranging from weeks to several months. Meanwhile, the London Stock Exchange has listed spot-backed exchange-traded products from WisdomTree and 21 shares on May 28th. However, these products are now only available to professional investors and are still prohibited for retail use. Regulations. As for crypto's regulatory landscape, an important development is the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act, also known as the FIT 21 bill, which was passed by the U.S. House of Representatives several weeks ago. The crypto community saw this as a win, among other things, because it would provide more clarification on whether assets can be categorized as digital commodities versus securities. However, if you are unfamiliar with the U.S. legislative process, there are still additional processes and obstacles that must be cleared before it can become law. Speaking of politics, a few weeks ago, Donald Trump gained broad support from the cryptocurrency community when he stated his support for the growing U.S. crypto community and made several promises, including rejecting CBDCs, stopping Biden's anti-crypto agenda, and defending self-custody rights. In addition, if elected, he promised to ease the sentence of Silk Road founder Ross Ulbricht, who had already served 11 years in prison. After that, Trump made history as the first president to accept payments made using the Lightning Network for Bitcoin. Naturally, not long afterward, Trump was also found guilty in the notorious hush money trial, becoming the first American president to be found guilty of a crime. In typical crypto fashion, meme coin Trump saw a spike upon the verdict. New project developments. In the past 2 weeks, there have also been more shenanigans. A number of celebrities have launched dubious meme coins, most of which have already witnessed a sharp decline in value. We say goodbye to individuals who enter the place just with the intention of taking something. The good news is that devs continue building. Long-standing projects such as ENS and Aave have revealed plans to develop their own app-specific L2S on Ethereum. These will significantly cut the fees for using the protocols, particularly after the ETH Denkin upgrade. A new smart contract platform called AO, which is based on the Arweave decentralized storage protocol, has also announced the upcoming fair launch of its native token. All tokens will be minted by bridging to AO, holding AR tokens, or building on the network. Around June 13, 2024, further information on its tokenomics and Genesis events was made available. Additionally, there have been changes in the Mt. Gox wallet, which would mean it's beginning to be ready to give money back to creditors later in early July 2024. Various quantities of Bitcoin, ranging from 3,999 to 34,134 BTC, were transferred to a single, unknown address, which owned close to 142K BTC, valued at about $10 billion at the time of the shooting. Others, environmental concerns. Even though this is not a major topic like the others, environmental issues are still very popular in the cryptocurrency world. The environmental impact of the energy-intensive proof-of-work mining algorithms used by cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin has come under fire. In response, there is growing support for proof-of-stake mechanisms that consume significantly less energy. With its Ethereum 2.0 update, Ethereum made a smooth transition to POS, establishing a model that other projects could potentially adopt. Finally, the cryptocurrency market is at a pivotal moment with regulatory challenges, technological advancements, and shifting investor sentiment all playing crucial roles in shaping its future. As always, remaining current on these changes is critical for anyone working in or considering entering the crypto industry. If you liked this summary of some of the most important events of the past several weeks, please click the like button. So, what are your thoughts about today's video? Don't forget to leave all of them in the comments section below.